You know the feeling. You know the English word. It is right there, in your head. But when you open your mouth, nothing comes out. Your heart beats faster, your face gets hot, and you think, everyone is watching me. Everyone is judging me. Sound familiar?
Welcome to Learn English and More. I'm Emma, he's Tom, and today we are talking directly to you.
How to speak English without fear. Because this is not just an English problem. This is a confidence problem. And we are going to fix it, together, right now.
Tom, why do so many English learners feel afraid to speak?
Because of one word, embarrassment.
Embarrass. To embarrass means to make someone feel ashamed or uncomfortable in front of others. We say, I was embarrassed when I made a mistake in front of my boss. Don't be embarrassed. Everyone makes mistakes. This is the number one fear of every English learner, being embarrassed.
And here's what's interesting. The fear is not about English. Think about it. In your own language, you speak freely. You make jokes, you argue, you express complex ideas. Your brain knows how to communicate. But the moment you switch to English, your brain panics. It says, danger. People will laugh. People will judge. Stay quiet. Stay safe.
So the fear is not about words. It's about what other people think.
Exactly. And here is the truth that will change everything. Nobody is judging you. Nobody. The person you are talking to is not thinking about your grammar. They are thinking about what you are saying. They want to understand your idea, not grade your pronunciation.
Anxious. Another important word. Anxious means feeling nervous, worried, and uncomfortable about something that might happen. We say, I feel anxious before speaking English on the phone. She was anxious about the job interview. Anxious is stronger than nervous. It is worry that sits in your stomach.
Most English learners feel anxious before speaking. But here's the secret. The anxiety is lying to you. It tells you the situation is dangerous. It is not. Nobody has ever died from bad grammar.
That is true. Bad grammar has never killed anyone.
So now we know the problem. Fear, anxiety, embarrassment. Let's talk about the solution. 5 real techniques, not theory, things you can do today.
5 techniques to speak without fear. Let's go.
Technique number 1, accept your mistakes. Stop trying to be perfect.
Here is a powerful word, stumble. To stumble means to trip or make a mistake while doing something. When speaking, to stumble means to pause, say the wrong word, or lose your sentence. We say, I stumbled over the word comfortable during my presentation. It's okay to stumble. Just keep talking. Every fluent speaker in the world stumbles sometimes. Every single one.
When a baby is learning to walk, it falls 100 times. But nobody says, stop walking, you are bad at it. The baby keeps going. Stumbling is part of the process. If you are stumbling, you are learning.
Technique 2. Start small. Don't try to give a speech. Start with one sentence.
Order coffee in English. Say good morning to a stranger. Send one text message in English. These small moments build confidence gradually.
Gradually. Step by step. Little by little. Not all at once. We say, her English improved gradually over 6 months. You build confidence gradually, not overnight. This is the most important word for English learners. Progress is not a switch you flip. It is a staircase you climb, gradually.
Technique 3. Talk to yourself in English. Seriously, when you are alone, in the shower, in the car, cooking dinner, talk. Describe what you are doing. Have an imaginary conversation. Practice a sentence you want to say tomorrow.
Talk to myself? Won't that be awkward? Awkward, uncomfortable, a situation that feels strange or not smooth. We say, the silence was awkward. I felt awkward speaking English at the party. But here is the secret. Practicing alone removes the awkward feeling. By the time you speak to a real person, the sentence already feels familiar in your mouth.
Exactly. If you practice saying, "I would like a coffee, please," 20 times alone, saying it at the cafe is easy. The mouth already knows the shape of the words. Technique 4. Focus on communication, not perfection.
Here is our key word for this. Fluent. Fluent means speaking smoothly, without long pauses or difficulty. We say, she is fluent in 3 languages. He speaks fluent French. But here is something most learners don't know. Fluent does not mean perfect. Fluent means you can express your ideas clearly, with mistakes, with an accent, with hesitation. But your message gets through. That is fluent.
I want you to think about this. Have you ever met someone who speaks your language with mistakes and an accent, but you understood them perfectly? Of course you have. You didn't think, their grammar is terrible. You thought, I understand what they mean. That is communication. And communication is the goal, not perfection.
Hesitate. To hesitate means to pause or wait before doing something, because you are unsure or afraid. We say, don't hesitate to ask questions. She hesitated before answering. Every English learner hesitates, but the difference between a confident speaker and a fearful speaker is simple. The confident speaker hesitates and then speaks anyway.
Technique 5, the most powerful one. Change your identity story. Stop saying, I am bad at English. Start saying, I am learning English. These are not the same sentence.
That is such a small change in words, but a huge change in feeling.
I am bad at English means you are broken. Something is wrong with you. But I am learning English means you are on a journey. You are growing. You are brave.
I am bad at English means you are broken. Something is wrong with you. But I am learning English means you are on a journey. You are growing. You are brave.
And one final word, the most beautiful word in today's lesson.
Embrace. To embrace means to accept something willingly, even if it is difficult. We say, embrace your mistakes. Embrace the learning process. Don't fight your accent. Embrace it. Don't hate your mistakes. Embrace them. They are proof that you are trying. Now, let's test your honesty. Now, let's play a game. It is called Real Reason or Just an Excuse.
I will say something that English learners tell themselves, and Emma will tell you, is it a real reason to stay quiet? Or is it just fear hiding behind an excuse? Be honest with yourself.
Let's go.
Number 1. I will speak English when my grammar is perfect.
Excuse, a big one. Your grammar will never be perfect. Even native speakers make grammar mistakes every day. If you wait for perfection, you will wait forever. The best way to improve grammar is by speaking, not by waiting.
Number 2. People will laugh at my accent.
Excuse. Your accent is not a weakness. It is your identity. It tells people where you come from. Nobody laughs at a French accent or a Japanese accent. They think it is interesting. And here is a secret. Most people are too busy thinking about themselves to notice your pronunciation.
Number 3. I don't have anyone to practice with.
This one is half real. Yes, it is harder without a practice partner. But you can talk to yourself. You can describe your day in English. You can record yourself on your phone and listen back. You can comment in English on YouTube videos. You can write short posts in English online. You always have someone to practice with, yourself.
Number 4. I understand English, but I can't speak it.
Real problem, but not a reason to stop. This is called passive knowledge. Your brain knows the words, but your mouth has not practiced saying them. The only fix is speaking. Start with one sentence a day. Your mouth needs training, just like a muscle. Understanding is step 1. Speaking is step 2. You are already halfway there. So, my friend, how many of those excuses do you use? Be honest. Tell us in the comments. Now, today's 10 powerful words. Say them with me.
Confident. Feeling sure of yourself and your abilities.
Anxious. Feeling nervous and worried about something.
Hesitate. To pause before doing something because of fear.
Fluent. Speaking smoothly, expressing ideas clearly.
Awkward. Uncomfortable, not smooth.
Overcome. To successfully deal with a problem.
Embarrass. To make someone feel ashamed in front of others.
Stumble. To make a mistake while speaking.
Gradually. Step by step, little by little.
Embrace. To accept willingly, even when difficult. 10 words that are not just vocabulary. They are tools for your confidence. Use gradually when you feel impatient. Use embrace when you feel ashamed.
So let's recap. 5 techniques. 1. Accept your mistakes. Stumbling is learning. 2. Start small, one sentence at a time. 3. Talk to yourself in English. 4. Aim for communication, not perfection. 5. Change your story from I am bad at English to I am learning English.
We have a free PDF lesson guide for you. Click the link in the pinned comment or the description. It's yours forever.
Subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
Goodbye, my friend. And remember, the bravest thing you can do today is open your mouth and try. Even one word, even badly, even with fear, especially with fear.